Good morning, learners. This is Ma'am Lynn, your science teacher. This morning, we will be studying about the properties of matter, particularly materials that absorb water. For our objectives, we are going to describe the materials based on the ability to absorb water and classify material based on the ability to absorb water. Now, I want you to move around and observe the materials that are found inside your house. I want you to list down 10 materials you see inside your house. What materials did you see as you went around the house? What materials in your list that are solids, liquids, and gas? Let us have a short review about the three states of matter: the solid, liquid, and a gas. Let us start first with solid. When we say solid, solid is one of the three main states of matter along with liquid and gas. Matter is a stuff of the universe, the atoms, molecules, and ions that make up the physical substances. Take note that in a solid, these particles are packed closely together and are not free to move about within the substance. Let us have the liquid. A liquid is nearly incompressible fluid that conforms the shape of its container but remains a constant volume independent of pressure. As such, it is one of the four fundamental states of matter and is the only state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. Now let us have the gas. Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gases have lower density than other states of matter such as solids and liquids. Take note that the particles of a gas exert more force on the interior volume of the container. This force is called pressure. Now, from the list of materials that you have, I want you to group the materials according to the state of matter. Is it solid, liquid, or a gas? Write the materials under its proper column. You can see in the picture, I have a glass filled of water and a piece of hand towel. What if I place a hand towel in a glass of water? Observe what happens. Can you guess what will happen to the water if I place a hand towel inside it? Very good. The towel absorbs the water. Now let us explain. What happens to the water when materials are added? The answer? The water is gone. When you lifted the material and squeezed it, did water came out? Yes. Did the materials get wet? Yes. Is the material heavier when wet? Yes, it becomes heavier because of the water it absorbed. Let us discuss further all about absorption. What does it mean when we say absorb? Absorb or take in or soak up. Absorption is a condition in which something takes in another substance. It is also possible to extract a solute from one liquid phase to another without a chemical reaction. Let's explore. Given the materials in the picture, can you name the absorbent materials and the non-absorbent materials? Let us try. For the answers, absorbent materials are socks, sponge, and papers. And for the non-absorbent materials, eraser, plastic bottles, and a magnet. Always remember that some of the materials absorb water more than the others. Cotton is an example of an absorbent material. Cotton is very porous, which make it natural absorber of water. When we say porous materials, these are materials having a small holes that allow air or liquid to pass through. Now, I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil, as we are going to have a short evaluation. Are you ready? Put a check mark on the materials that absorb water and a cross mark if not. I will give you only 5 minutes to finish your answer. And the timer starts now.